Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chris Cooper, known as the Channel Guy Trader, and I'm reporting to you live from Wall Street Trading Satellite Office down in sunny South Florida. Today's date is Tuesday, March the 5th, 2013, and here is today's midday market update brought to you by wallstreettrading.com. Want to first start by taking a look to see how the indices are trading right now. The Dow Jones is up 177 points. The Comp Qs are up a little bit over 53 points. The Russell 2000 is up 9 points. The S&P is up a little over 22.5 points. And taking a look at a couple of key sectors here. The oil index is up 12 and a quarter. The XLF, the financials, they're up 18 cents. Taking a look at the crude oil, USOs is up 6 cents here. GLD's down 4 cents, pretty much flat. GDX up 28 cents. JJC copper flat. Silver flat. UUP down a little bit. FXE euro is strong today. We go ahead and take a look at the market here. You can see we've pretty much been moving up since the morning session here. Right out the gate, we had some buyers come in right out the gate. As soon as we could see, we were consolidating in this range here, going into the open between 15.28 and then 15.30 on this 15-minute chart here of the ES. Then once we pretty much broke out of that, buyers came in right on the open, and we've been moving higher ever since with really no big pullback. If you take a look at the 5-minute chart, you can see right now we're currently trading in a range between 15.38 and 15.41, so a little 3-point range going on in the ES right now. And you would have to think this is just consolidating for a move higher in the afternoon session. We did break past some key levels on the market, which I'm going to bring up here right now for you guys. I want to show you guys the triple Qs. The triple Qs, as you guys know, we've been watching that key area around 67.38, 68.25. Well, guess what? We're finally above that 68.60 level there. And if the triple Qs could get a close above 68.60, that would be real bullish there, as we're finally, looks like we're probably going to now finally get to move out the little range that we've been tracking for that little supply zone on the daily chart that I've been showing you guys in the weekend reviews and the daily market wrap-ups. So anyway, if you're trading the SPY opened up today at 153.66. We've been moving high ever since. Same thing like the ES, of course, trading sideways right now, with the short-term high being 154.60 and a little range that we're watching being around 154.25 or so. So little, little 40-cent range right now, 40-cent range right now on the SPY. You take a look at the IWM, same thing. IWM breaking out here. 92.02 current price, but it ran up to a high of 92.20, right? 92.35 today hit a high of, and I believe that is the no, it's close to new highs. To make new highs in the Russell, we've got to break above this 92.68 level, which is 68 cents away from where we're at right now. Anyways, I'm looking for these stocks. I'm looking for the market to move higher. We may see a little bit of pullback action, but I think they're going to try to break the market out today. To push a new high today in the afternoon session. We'll have to wait and see. You can see pretty much volume's been dying out here on the 5-minute chart of the ES, and we should be looking for some volume to start picking up here shortly, as you can see, or at least going around 1 o'clock, 1:30 or so. One thing you don't want to see, I would say, is for the market to give all of its gains back for the day and close on the lows or close near the lows. That would not be a good sign if you're a bull. All right, and that I'm pretty sure that would have maybe some people trapped to the long side today. So we'll have to wait and see how that acts. But as far as some stocks goes that we were watching today, one stock that we did mention to our traders that follow us and to the people that trade with us in our chat room, mywallstreettv.com. Password to log in is SMART, S-M-A-R-T. And you can also sign up to our 14-day free trial to the room via our website, wallstreettrading.com, to check that out. But in any case here, some stocks we were watching today that we mentioned on the Facebook and in the chat room was AXP. AXP holding above 63 was a buy. You can take a look at the stock right here, right out the gate, forming a nice little hammer on the 5-minute chart and moved all the way from 63.25 from the opening price all the way to a high of 64.30. That one was good for a point. That was one that we had on our power hitter sheet that we gave out in the chat room. You can also take a look at see, Dollar Tree was the stock that we were looking at, but this thing didn't play out as we expected. This one sold off. We were also watching WLT. WLT gave us a nice little scalp trade in the morning here. All right, got to go to the 1-minute chart for this. But we caught this move right here in WLT from the 1-minute chart. This move right here, getting long at 30.34. Oh, I'm trying to zoom in here. Getting long at 30.34 with a stop underneath these lows right here at 30.15. All right, so we're risking about 20 cents, and we caught this move all the way from 30.34 to this 30.75 level. What else? Some of my guys in the room. Wells Fargo. This is another trade that we talked about here. Wells Fargo, even though they gave it all back, this thing's trading like a bank, like a high price Bank of America. Either way, we call this one out in the room, holding above 36.10. Look for the scene to trade up towards the 35.30s. Not a not a crazy stock as far as like explosive moves, but it did grind up there after pulling back, holding the 36.10 level again to held those 36.25s. I would say this is a decent stock, and if you pick the right price, you can put some size on it. But either way, gave back most of that action today. Still a stock to keep on watching if it can get back above 36 in the afternoon session. I know my partner was talking about Apple. What did Apple do today? Apple's up $13.12 today. My partner in the room was talking about Apple. And then we had some more guys in the room. One second, let me check. Some of the other guys in the room were talking about. We were talking about Cree. Almost forgot about Cree. Cree had some news come out this morning that they're switching up. They have some new LED lights coming out, and from that news, I guess they're expecting more sales. So they raised their guidance. And you can see the stock gapped up here. Stock was up a lot pre-market, closed at 44.71. Pre-market hit a high of 48.88, and then right out the gate, this one was a good buy right out the gate as well. Gave you an opportunity to get in off this little bull flag here, as you can see on the little on the 5-minute chart, and it took off. In any case, a lot of good action out there. Market still continues to push higher, and if the Qs could close above that 68, 60 area or so, that would be bullish for the markets to probably continue moving higher. So just keep an eye on the markets. Hope you guys had a great trading day today, and I'll catch you. Hope you guys are having a great trading day so far, and I'll catch you guys after the close for the after the bell market summary. Make sure you go check out the website wallstreettrading.com. If you're interested in trading with our firm, give me a shout. Contact me at ccooper@wallstreettrading.com. And make sure you sign up for the 14-day free trial right on the home page. Have a good day, folks. Catch you guys after the close.